Hello friends, welcome to my channel Explorer Mona Lisa. In my previous video, I took you on the tour of trekking trail and the top view of Athirappally Waterfalls. Now, we will plunge into the real beauty of this majestic waterfalls just standing under the mighty current and freshness of the splashing, natural, pure water of Athirappally. Experiencing the grand beauty of Athirappally Waterfalls from the bottom is truly magical and unforgettable. Located in the lush green landscapes of Kerala, this majestic waterfall is famously known as the Niagara of India. Standing close to the roaring cascade and feeling the powerful water crashing down is an experience beyond words. The cool mist fills the air and the refreshing spray drenches you completely. Being under the falling water feels so thrilling and refreshing that you simply don't feel like leaving the waterfalls at all. The sound of the powerful flow, the breeze carrying tiny droplets of water, and the breathtaking view of the falls create a magical moment where you just want to stay there forever, enjoying nature at its purest form. Getting drenched under the mighty Athirappally waterfall is not just a moment, it becomes a memory that stays with you forever. Watch this video till the end to feel the real thrill of standing under one of the most spectacular waterfalls in India. Please do like, share, subscribe for more such amazing travel experiences and videos. Till then, you just enjoy this view.
विलोल वीचि वल्लरी विराजमान